Over the years, Mark and I have represented thousands of people that have been injured in automobile accidents. In more recent time, what we see is a lot of those accidents are caused by what are called distracted drivers. In 2019, Florida alone had 56,000 crashes with over 300 deaths. They were all directly attributable to distracted drivers. So what is a distracted driver? Well, the most common form now is as a result of cell phones. It's that person who looks down to send a text, or looks down to respond to an email or read a tweet or do something on social media. Once they take those eyes off the road, it becomes a hazard to everybody else on the road as well as themselves, and it could be fatal. That's why in 2019, Governor DeSantis passed a new law that said texting while driving is now a primary traffic offense. It means police officers, if they see you on your phone and texting while you are driving, they can pull you over and issue you a citation. According to state figures, though, the problem is that's not really being enforced, that new law. Last year, which was the first full year that law was in effect, there were only 3,410 citations issued in the state of Florida. This is a state that has over 15 million drivers. If you break it down locally, you look at Miami-Dade, there's over 2 million drivers. Last year, there was only 295 texting tickets issued. It's about 6 per week. And what you hear from some of the officers is that it's difficult to enforce because under the law, you can still text while you're stationary, meaning you're at a red light or stop somewhere. You can still use your phone for weather apps, for GPS apps, and to make calls. The only exceptions to those things are when you're in a school zone or a construction zone, and those zones are considered hands-free, meaning you can't be on your phone to do anything. Well, let's hope that the law ultimately catches up to those construction and safe zones and makes it hands-free so that people can't have their phone for any reason in their hands. But for now, when you get behind that wheel, the safety of yourself, friends, and your loved ones that are in that car, put that phone away. And when you're driving or you're walking as a pedestrian, be extra cautious. Because I think if you look around, you look at people in their cars, their eyes are off the road. Distracted driving is a huge, huge problem, not only here in Florida, but nationwide. So let's stay safe out there.